up, Lash fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful Lash video. If you haven't joined our family, make sure you do by turning on our post notification and hitting that subscribe button. Welcome ladies. Today I'm going to do a video solely showing you guys how to fan the lashes from my lash line, and I think it's important that I do this video. A lot of you are asking for it, but I also think that I need to do it because if you are using my lashes or if you're interested in purchasing my lashes, I think that there should be something out there for you guys to refer to actually know how to properly work with them. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Just give you a little bit of tips and tricks on how to actually work with them properly and just make your lashing a little bit faster, a little bit better. Work smarter, not harder. Before we jump into the video, I do want to touch base on a few things. I've been getting some messages from you guys saying that you've been inspired by the videos and that you've learned a lot and questioning if you should actually take a course to be trained and certified in lashing. My answer is 100% yes. Take the course, get trained. These videos are not designed to be a training video. These are more videos for you guys to refer back to, or little tips and tricks, or just little things you guys can come back to later on and just refresh. Okay, these videos are not designed to train you in lashing. Actual lashing is actually so much more complex than these videos make them out to be. So if you are a trained lash artist off of YouTube videos, no, you guys find someone, be trained properly before you actually take clients. So that is my opinion on it. I think a lot of other lash artists would agree. If you agree, give this video a thumbs up because it is important. We don't want to ruin the lash industry. We want to make it so it still has integrity. So please, if you are considering lashing and you've been watching videos, please take the course, spend the money. You're gonna make that money right back, and it's definitely worth it. So those are my thoughts on that. Also, people are asking me what I use in between clients to clean my hands. A lot of you do know I'm a doTERRA junkie and I love my oils. So I use the On Guard hand sanitizer from doTERRA. If anyone wants to get this or is interested in it or anything that has to do with oils, please DM me, I will help you. But all I do is I spray on my hands, in between clients, in between my lashing. Sometimes I just clean my hands, I don't know. But it's amazing and it's natural. It's way better than actual hand sanitizer because it doesn't dry out your hands. So ladies, get yourself some On Guard hand sanitizer from doTERRA. DM me if you need it. But yes, let's jump into this video. It's gonna be super quick. If you guys have questions on how I'm doing it, or if you guys wanna know anything, comment down below. I love you guys, let's jump in. So what you first want to do is get your lashes. I have them here, and then you're gonna get a strip, and I place it on the back of my hand like this. Make sure you clean your hands before, and whether you place them on a tray or your hands, it doesn't matter. I place them here. Just apply a little bit of glue aid onto the strip of your lash and then give them a good little brush. Okay, so grab, and it doesn't matter how many you grab, you just want to make sure that you grab enough. A lot of people ask me if I count how many lashes I pick, and I don't. I just grab about that many, I drop it below, and then I use the very tip of my tweezers and I fan them out. And what's cool about these lashes is you're able to pick them back up and re-drop them back down until you get it fanned out to how you want it. And then depending on my client's natural lash, I can remove however many lashes I need to on the fan to make sure that my base isn't too thick, and then I remove, and you should get a fan like that, and just depending on how many fans you want to put in there. So I'll show you again. Now obviously that base is way too thick, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna fan it out, and then we're gonna remove lashes, and then we're gonna pick it back up, drop it again, and then just do that one more time. And your fan should look like this. Again, when you grab it off, remove it slowly, and you should get a fan just like that. So the two tricks here is to grab as many as you need, drop it below, and use the very tip of your tweezers. You need to make sure you have sharp tweezers, and just gently move the lashes back and forth. They should fan out just easy like that. And then again, you can remove however many you need to get your desired fan. And I'm gonna show you what happens if you don't drop it below. So if you just place it like that, it's a lot harder to open up and they get kind of messy. So make sure you drop it below and you're able to work the fans better. And you should get a fan like that. Lash fam, that does conclude our fanning video of how I fan my lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up. I have some of you guys requesting that I do a Q&A, so go ahead and comment down below in this video and let me know some questions you guys have that I can go ahead and answer in one of my upcoming YouTube videos. If you also follow me on Instagram, you can DM me. I'm gonna do a poll on there as well, so you guys will have a few other outlets you guys can ask me the questions on. I am going to answer just a few that I've been getting lately. I think I'm gonna start doing this in my videos, so I'm just gonna answer a little bit of the questions. So my first question is from Leo Family, and she asked, how many hours do you spend making volume lashes? I make the volume lashes as I go, and my sets take me about 3 hours. So I don't do pre-mades, I just make them as I go. So I guess about 3 hours. Another question is from Bakey Show, and she says, where do I get the fans? Please send me the link. Okay, all my lashes are only available at www.shoplashesbykins.com. The link is always in the video description or on my Instagram at shoplashesbykins, so you can get the product there as well. Okay, a lot of people are asking about my super bonder that I use in my videos. That is my sealer. That is what I use at the end of my sets to basically lock in the glue so that the lashes and the retention is way better. I get it from ruthiebelly.com. Ruth Bell, I don't know. I'll link it down below so you guys can check her out on Instagram. It is shipped from a different country, so it takes a while to get. There are other sealants you guys can purchase. Bella Lash has one. There's a ton of other ones, but personally I use this one and I love it. Again, that will be in the description. You guys can check it out. Any of the products that I'm using in my videos is also linked in the description, or I at least state what it is, so you guys can refer to the descriptions if you're curious about what products I'm using. All right, ladies, so that is just a few questions. Again, I'm gonna do a full video just knocking out a bunch of questions that you guys are asking. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, make sure you check them all out. Follow us, subscribe, follow us on Instagram. So anyways, ladies, I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a big thumbs up. We will be back.